All right, guys, 2009 Honda Accord. This is two-door, stick shift, four-cylinder. This car has a problem that we cannot put this shifter into gear, right? So, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth, and then reverse over there, right? So look, easy, any gear, right? Easy. I don't even have my foot on the clutch, but the car is off, engine is off, right? So the problem with this car is, if we start up the engine, right, I got my foot on the clutch, this car is in no gear. Now, it's very difficult, all right? It's very difficult to put this car into gear, right? Very difficult. You can hear it with all the force that I'm putting. It's very difficult, right? The problem here is the clutch is bad on this car. So if you have a car that doesn't want to go into gear, pretty much the clutch is not letting the gears engage, and that's why it's hard, all right? And if I turn off the car, piece of cake, one finger, right? So if you guys have this problem with the manual clutch, even if I let go of the clutch now, it's a piece of cake, all right? It's only trouble when the car is on, the engine is running, you got the clutch pressed down, and then you're trying to shift this car into gear, right? So what this is happening here is the clutch is pretty much grabbing onto the flywheel, and that's not letting the synchronizers inside the transmission grab. All right, so if you guys have any questions, if you guys have a manual car, Honda Accord, doesn't have to be Honda, it could be any other car, similar problem, look into it. When I'm done, I'll show you what we did, what we changed, the components. But at the moment, I'm not gonna make a video of changing a clutch, because it's a big job. I'm not gonna be able to manage the camera and record everything properly, and plus it's a big job. And but I'll show you guys when I'm done. All right, so this car needs a clutch. Again, it's very easy to change the gears once the engine is off, but once the engine is on and you're pressing the clutch, this does not want to go. You have to push it really hard. All right, so if you have that issue, that's what you need to look into, and that's what you need to do. Thank you. Subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can ask me, message me, and please subscribe. All right, that's what I need you guys to do, and tell all your friends. And if you have problem with anything else, you can message me, you can ask me anything else. All right, thank you. Bye bye. All right, guys, and just wanted to show you guys we're back. We finished the clutch job, and here it is, the clutch. And this is a Honda Accord again, and as you can see, the clutch was not, the shifter was not engaging into gears when the car was running. The problem was this job, we finished this job, first of all, it took us good like a whole day to do, about like 8-9 hours. And this is the clutch right here, right? So what we did was we changed the clutch. As you can see, this clutch is finished, right? See these little rivets? They're plain, they're even. So this clutch is pretty much all gone. And this, you see these little springs here? They was hitting on the pressure plate in back of it. And so this is what we did. We replaced the clutch. And I want to show you guys. Let me put this to the side. Here's the pressure plate. You see the pressure plate with the springs, these springs right here. You can see damages on the spring and the corners. If I twist this around, you will see that one. All right. It was sitting in this direction and it was rubbing here, right there. So this is a pressure plate for the clutch. And we replaced the bearings and everything. So this is what pushes. When you press the clutch, this gets pushed and the clutch disengages and it engages. So the problem here was this went so far in that it could no longer disengage the clutch from the transmission. That's what was causing the shifter from being engaged. It wasn't shifting smoothly and there's the car. So we changed this clutch on this car. So this is a Honda Accord again. All right, so we changed this clutch on this Honda, and if you have a Honda Accord, you need to change the clutch. You have a problem with the clutch, you can if you're having a similar issue that when you're shifting car into gear, it's not engaging and it's very hard for you to push in. So that's the clutch we changed. All right, and let's go into the car next and we'll see what happens, how smooth the shifter is now. All right guys, I'm back inside the car now, and this is the car that I showed you, that this shifter, you see how smooth it is, one finger. In the beginning of the video, you can see when the car was running, I was yanking this thing so hard it was not engaging into gear. So with the car off, it always shifted smooth. All right, with the car running and the clutch depressed, it was not engaging into gear. It was engaging, but very difficult. So there we go, we have the car on and I got the clutch depressed down on this side. All right, and now look, smooth. All right, any gear you like, easy. All right, easy. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the reverse is usually a little hard. All right, so if you guys have this similar issue, replace the clutch, do a little bit of investigation with the master cylinder and the slave cylinder, and most likely you have a bad clutch. That's a sign of a bad clutch. All right, this clutch is about an 8-hour job, and you are gonna need help from another person. And if you guys have any questions, you can message me. And this can also cause the car to stall, and because the clutch is not disengaging properly. So when you're shifting into gears, there's a load on the engine, and it will do a lot of little things. But just look into it. Please subscribe my channel, share and comment with your friends, and thank you for watching my videos, and bye bye. I guess see you on the next video. Thank you again. Bye. Subscribe.